Designed for Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, Maktab ERP and Student Lifecycle System streamlines educational processes and caters to unique requirements of educational institutions. If you are a student applying to multiple universities, or a university administrator who wants to configure and manage student data with precision, then Maktab is your ultimate one-platform solution. The education sector is evolving, and 25+ universities are already revolutionizing their processes with Maktab. Its portal offers a hassle-free approach. Let's see how it works. From admissions to merit lists, everything is digital and configurable. Defining programs has never been simpler. Administrators can seamlessly opt and access program catalog. Enrollments are effortless. Students can easily apply to multiple universities through a single portal. Administration can quickly customize registration periods and course details, all on Maktab. Students can benefit from a wide array of module credits and course attributes, right from their dashboard. Marking attendance, grading students, and generating final results is effortless via the Fiori portal. The learning management system facilitates enhanced online digital learning. Maktab also automates student progression and degree audits by managing their finances, scholarship awards, and grant payments. Its secure payment gateway allows seamless online transactions for applicants using digital channels. The Human Capital Management module of Maktab manages everything needed for recruitment, payroll, performance, and research. Maktab ERP and SLCS is your all-in-one digital solution for seamless university management. Upgrade today